Dear students, good afternoon, and in continuation of the last lecture, I am going to take the class on the topic maxima and minima, where I am going to solve few practical problems related to this topic. Today's first question is find two numbers whose sum is 24. Whose sum is what? 24, and whose product is as large as possible. पर जैसे सपोज 24 को क्या लिख सकते हो आप भाई 1 + 23, 2 + 21, and that is 22, like in this way 12 + 12, or you can say like 16 + 8. Many way you can add and you can get 24. Okay, now you see this is one sum, this is one sum, this is one sum. Okay, if you multiply this result, you will get a value. You multiply this result, you will get a value. You multiply this result, you will get a value. You multiply these two results, you will get a value. Every value are different. Among all this value, which one is the largest? The product is largest. आप product largest मिलने के लिए ये 24 को कैसे split करेंगे? How to get two numbers? That is the demand of the question. Okay. So we take, let x and y are two positive number such that x plus y equal to what? 24. This is given. From here you can write y equal to 24 minus x. This is relation number 1. Take the product p, suppose p equal to what? Product of two number x, y. Now p is a function of what? X, y. So you can replace y by what? 24 minus x. Clear? And which is equal to what? 24x minus x square. So ultimately p is a function of x. So you can write p as a function of what? X. P is a what? Function of x. Now this is your function. You are to find its maximum value. You are to find it maximum. To get maximum, what to do? Now you have to find p dash x. P dash x equal to what? Putting p dash x equal to what? 0. Okay. P dash x is equal to 0 means what? What is the p dash x? वो हमें थोड़ा एक काम करो. P dash x निकाल के रखो. P dash x is equal to what? 24 minus 2x. P double dash x equal to what? Minus 2. Okay. So P dash x equal to 0 implies 24 minus 2x is equal to 0 implies x is equal to what? 12. This is the only critical point. This is the only critical point. Now you are going to check second order derivative. Second order derivative. Okay. Now therefore you write, therefore p double dash 2, 12. You know p double dash x for any x, whatever be the x, for every x result is always minus 2. So 12 के लिए क्या होगा? minus 2 ही होगा. So less than 0. Less than 0 होने से क्या मिलता है? Therefore x is equal to 12, and that is you write therefore px has a maximum value at x is equal to 12. Okay, product का maximum value क्या मिलेगा? कब मिलेगा? When x is equal to 12. But when x is equal to 12, 1 implies y equal to 24 minus 12 equal to 12. Okay, finally what we get? The product is maximum. Product is maximum when one number is 2, other number is 12, other number is 12, and their sum is 24. Their sum is what? 24. So maximum means in this case it represents largest. Okay, the product is largest when the numbers are 12 and 12. Then finally you conclude that therefore product is therefore required numbers are 12, 12. Okay, so this is the way you have to solve this type of practical questions. Now another question I proceed, then it will be better for you to understand. Question is find the positive numbers x and y such that x plus y, their sum is 60 and xy cube is maximum. This time product is representing by one number into cube of other number, okay, cube of other number. So what is given? Given is what? X plus y equal to 60. Very interesting, which variable? Suppose we are going to replace y by x or x by y. In this particular product, if you represented p is equal to x y cube, so if you replace y by in terms of x, then it will be a complicated figure. Understood? So better to replace x by y such that our problem, to solve the problem, we make some comfortable, or it will be easy for us to solve the particular problems. Okay, so here we are replacing x in terms of what? Y. This is relation number 1, and let this product is p equal to what? X y cube, and you replace x by y, then it is 60 minus y into y cube. If you replace y by 60 minus x, then it will be 60 minus x whole cube होता, तो उसको expand करना पड़ता, तो ये will be more difficulties will be there. So finally this is a function of y, py equal to 60 y cube minus y to the power 4. Find first order derivative p dash y. P dash y क्या होगा? 180 into what? y square. y cube का derivative क्या है? 3y square. We are derivative with respect to not x, we are with respect to what? Y, because p is a function of y. So what is the derivative of y to the power 4? 4y cube. You may write 4y cube into dy by dx, no need to, because we are derivative with respect to y only. ठीक है? So p double dash y क्या होगा? 360y minus 12y cube. This is your second order derivative. Now to get the critical point, what you have to do? You have to put p dash y. Put p dash y equal to 0. What is p dash y? P dash y equal to 180y square minus 4y cube equal to 0. Here you see y square is what can be cancelled. How it can be cancelled? Because you have to find two positive number x and y. So x and y are always greater than 0. X and y are what? Greater than 0. That means these are non-negative number. Non-negative number से divide कर सकते हो. Okay. So if you divide by y square or something 4y square, it will be 4 4 and ultimately 5. 45 minus y equal to 0. After dividing, you are getting y equal to 45. This is the critical point. Now to check the second order, therefore p double dash 45, उस पॉइंट में पुट करो 360 इंटू 45 माइनस 12 इंटू 45 होल क्यूब. You calculate, you see this figure is greater than this one. Ultimately हमें क्या होगा? नेगेटिव मिलेगा. थोड़ा सा कैलकुलेशन करके देखना, ज़रूरी भी नहीं है. You have to write less than 0. और आप 45 कॉमन ले सकते हो. 45 को कॉमन लिया करो और फिर उसको कैलकुलेशन करो. ठीक है. So finally what happen? We will get y is equal to 4 is a point of maxima, okay, point of what? Maxima. Or you can say that py has a maximum value at y equal to 45. Now your target is to find the what? Point, that is the numbers. Therefore, 1 implies x equal to 60 minus 45 equal to 15. So, these are the two numbers, one is 15, another is 45, such that their sum is 60 and x into y cube is what? Maxima. Therefore, the required numbers are 15, 45. So, this is the way you have to solve the questions. Okay, another question I am going to solve in this chapter, in this particular class, and end my class today. Okay, so this is also an interesting question. Now, question is, very important, so that all the rectangles, inscribed in a given fixed, very important, fixed, it's very important, in a given fixed circle, the square has the maximum area. So, very interesting question. So, your circle is what? Your circle is what? Your circle is fixed. Circle fixed means what? This is your circle. Suppose here diagram is compulsory. Circle is this, is center is this one, suppose, and so since it is a fixed circle, so its radius is also fixed. So in this circle you can draw many rectangles. You can draw this rectangle, okay, you can draw this rectangle, or you can draw many rectangles. Every rectangle will have different area. The question demand is that the area of the rectangle which is maximum, that particular rectangle become a square. वो जो rectangle जितने मिलेगी सबका एरिया में जिसका सबसे ज़्यादा होगा, मैक्सिमम होगा, वो क्या बन जाएगी? Square बन जाएगी. That means side of the rectangles, both the side length and breadth becomes what? Equal हो जाएगी. Understood? When that is that means what happen? Rectangle becomes what? Square होगा when their area becomes maximum. Highest area वाला जो rectangle होगा वो क्या हो जाएगी? Square हो जाएगी. That is our need of the problem. We are going to prove it. That means we are going to prove it what? Length equal to breadth of that rectangle. Okay. Let us draw a rectangle here. Let us draw a rectangle. You will get an idea. This is the center. Suppose this is your rectangle, okay? This is the rectangle. Suppose we draw our rectangle. This is its length. Suppose AB, CD is the rectangle inscribed in a circle of radius r. This is the radius r. So this is also r. Finally, this is O. This is what? Twice r. SC equal to what? Twice r. Diameter. Okay, it is a diameter. And suppose that this is the angle made by this diameter with what? AB. Understood? If I draw the suppose initial line को नीचे ले आए या उसका लाइन ऊपर करे तो क्या होगा? उसका डायगोनल थोड़ा सा शिफ्ट होगा. डायगोनल शिफ्ट होगा मीन्स व्हाट? थीटा चेंज होगा. दैट मीन फॉर डिफरेंट रेक्टेंगल थीटा विल बी डिफरेंट. हियर थीटा इज ए वेरिएबल. ओके, बट r is fixed. R is what? Fixed. If we know the length and breadth, then definitely we can find the area of the rectangle. Okay, now we have to start like that. Let ABCD be the rectangle inscribed in a circle of fixed radius r. Okay, therefore, and let angles CAB equal to theta. Now if you use the right angle triangle, then what will be cos theta? Therefore, cos theta equal to, we know cos theta equal to what? Base by hypotenuse, AB by twice r. From here you will get AB equal to 2r cos theta. 2r cos theta. And sin theta equal to what? Sin theta equal to what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse, mean BC by twice r. My aim is to find the length and breadth, twice r sin theta. Okay, then let S be the area of the rectangle. Then S equal to, what is S? S equal to length into breadth, AB into BC. Okay, if you multiply it, it will be 4r square sin theta cos theta. I hope you understand. Sin theta cos theta, उसमें 4 से एक 2 इधर ले जाए तो 2 sin theta cos theta can be written as what? Sin 2 theta. Okay, sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta. Okay, so implies S equal to, you can write S is a function of now theta. S R is a fixed quantity, so S is a function of, you can better to write S theta. S theta equal to r square, तो है 2r square, and 1 2 will be go here, 2 sin theta cos theta equal to what? Sin 2 theta. Now find the first order derivative, S dash theta. What is the derivative of sin 2 theta? It is 2 cos 2 theta. 2 into 2, 4r square cos 2 theta. Find S double dash theta. It is what? Cos 2 theta का डेरिवेटिव क्या है? माइनस 2 sin 2 theta. This minus 8r square sin 2 theta. I am not going to explain. This is very simple. You know. TDX of sin mx क्या होगा? This is BC. ये ज़रूरी है. ये साइड में लिख के रखो. Okay. Now put S dash theta equal to 0 to get the critical point. S dash theta equal to 0 implies 4r square cos 2 theta equal to 0. 4r square तो क्या है? This is a constant quantity and positive also. ये नीचे आएगी ultimately. It is what? It is a positive quantity. So ultimately cos 2 theta क्या होना चाहिए? 0 होना चाहिए. Now very simply, what is your theta? Theta is what? Maximum. It is extended and extended what? It will be what? Up to 90 degree. So 2 theta becomes what? Cos theta equal to 0 implies 2 theta equal to what? Pi by 2 implies theta equal to what? Pi by 4. सो थीटा इज इक्वल टू पाई बाई 4 व्हिच इज द रेंज 0 से पाई बाई 2 तक है, ठीक है. सो दिस इज योर क्रिटिकल पॉइंट. नाउ एट दिस क्रिटिकल पॉइंट यू हैव टू चेक द सेकेंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव. फिगर अभी नहीं चाहिए. नाउ s double dash pi by 4, s double dash pi by, what is your this minus 8r square. Now what is 2 theta? 2 theta equal to what? Pi by 2. Yes, then it will be sin pi by 2 equal to what? 1 into 1, which is less than what? 0. Since r is a radius of a circle, so r square is a positive quantity, so 8r square is a positive quantity. Before that this is a negative number, therefore it is less than 0. Therefore S is an area is maximum when theta equal to what? Pi by 4. That means एरिया कब मैक्सिमम मिल रहा है? थीटा इक्वल टू पाई बाई 4. रेक्टेंगल्स का एरिया क्या है? मैक्सिमम कब हो रहा है? व्हेन थीटा इक्वल टू पाई बाई 4. बट when theta equal to pi by 4, what is the side of the rectangle? Now AB equal to 2r cos pi by 4. What is cos pi by 4? Cos pi by 4 equal to what? 1 by root 2. That means twice r. ये क्या होगा? Twice r into 1 by root 2 होगा कि नहीं? कैंसिल हो गया, क्या होगा? root 2r होगा. And BC equal to 2r sin pi by 4. Same way, the answer will be root 2r. Finally, what we get? We get what? The area is maximum when theta equal to pi by 4, and when theta equal to pi by 4, length and breadth of the rectangle जिसका maximum था वो दोनों क्या हो गया? Equal हो गया. It means rectangle become a square. So finally, what happened? Area is maximum when rectangle becomes a square. So finally you can write, therefore area is maximum when rectangle becomes a square. So this is a very interesting question. This type of more question we will solve in the next video lecture, and useful questions, important questions, and you will get interest in this particular questions. Hope you understand this particular class. Go through the video and try to understand every content of the problem, every content whatever I have discussed. So thank you very much for watching my videos, and also it is your responsibility बनता है कि आप subscribe भी करें such that other people to get benefited, because in this particular lockdown period school colleges are remain closed, so everybody are at home. So if the students get facility from these classes, then we as a teachers will very happy, will feel very happy. So thank you very much. Thank you.